Hello, you're welcome once again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful coasters. That's what we'll be doing today. I already made some, so I'll show you how to make these coasters. You can make them for sale, you can make them as gifts for your friends. So let's get down to what we have for the day. For this coaster, we need three materials. You need your main material, which is this. You need a lining. I'm using another Ankara material for my lining. The main material is an Ankara material. And then you need your wording. So what I did was I measured 8 inches. My coaster is going to be a square of 8 inches. 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches. 8 inches by 8 inches. The second material is the same measurement. Then my wording is half an inch shorter. So my wording is about 7 inches. My wording is 7 inches by 7 inches. So it's 1 inch shorter than my main material. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the shiny part of this wording on the wrong side of my main material. This is the wrong side of my main material. You can iron if you want, or you can just sew like that. You can iron it. So I've placed it here. And the next thing is that I'm going to place the right side of my lining on the right side of this my main material. So this is it. The right side. So that is it. So the two materials, their right sides are facing each other. Then the wrong side of the main material is on the shiny part of the wording. So the next thing I'll do is I'll pin it down. I'll pin down. I'll pin it. Okay, done. And then I'll sew round. When I sew round, I'm going to leave about 3 inches opening. 3 inches opening for turning. So I'll sew. I'm going to start my sewing at the center. So I'll just sew and come back and leave my opening. So I'm going to just trim off the excess materials at the corner. After that, I'm going to turn. I'm not going to turn it from here, from the part that has the one. I'm going to turn it from the part that has the two materials facing each other, from here to here. So I'll just turn. So that is done. So the next thing I'll do is, where I had the opening, that was the reason we left about ½ inch. That why we made the wording to be ½ inch shorter than the main fabric, so that by the time you open and fold in the material, you have what to sew on. So just fold it in there, and then we're going to sew all around. We're going to sew all around. And our sewing is going to be very close to the edge, very close to the edge, round before final. So our coaster is ready. You can use any of the sides. You can use any of the two sides to place your cup. So this is it. This is it. Our coaster is ready. It's very beautiful. You can sew to sell, or you can just sew and gift to someone. If you're sewing to sell, you can put like 6 to 12 packs, 6 to 12 of this material of the coaster in a pack. It's very durable. I chose this material because it is easy to wash, and if there's a stain, it will not be noticeable. It's easy to scrub off. So it's very beautiful. That's the end of the video. Please, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you'd like to come back and watch all of the beautiful content that we have prepared for you, I would urge you to tap on the notification button so that whenever I post value adding and fun to make craft like this, YouTube will notify you. See you in my next video. Bye.